So, normally I get about 75% efficiency on my brews, which means there's a lot of sugars left behind in the mash. So if you add more water to your mash tun after you're done draining, you can usually get some more wort out of there. Since this was a big beer today, I decided to try a little experimentation. I pulled about another 2.5 gallons through the mash, and got myself 2.5 gallons here of probably very tannic and very weak. It's about 1025 specific gravity out of the mash. So I've got it in this carboy here, and it is still kind of hot. It's probably about 120 degrees. I'm just going to let it cool at room temp here because I'm not too worried about it infection wise, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to pitch a kombucha SCOBY in here once it cools down, and see what kind of beverage I get using unboiled wort and a kombucha SCOBY. So just a little bit of an experiment. Okay, so my extra wort that I collected is cooled down enough, and I have some hot tea that I just brewed, and I'm going to add that to it. Here's my SCOBY Hotel. These are some SCOBYs that I've collected from past kombucha batches, so I'm going to put 2 of these into my concoction and see what it does. So there it is with the SCOBY in it. I had to chop the SCOBY up with scissors, and now my future concern, which I'll have to figure out when I get there, is when a new SCOBY develops, how do I get it out of the top when I finally drain it and clean the carboy. I'm probably going to have to figure out some way to chop it up in there or something, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, I guess.